Artificial intelligence has rapidly become an essential tool in our daily lives, and ChatGPT is at the forefront of this revolution. From answering questions to generating creative content, ChatGPT can assist with a wide range of everyday tasks. This tutorial will guide you through the various ways you can use ChatGPT to make your day-to-day activities easier and more efficient. Managing your daily schedule. Task planning. Use ChatGPT to create a detailed plan for your day. Simply input your tasks and ask ChatGPT to organize them based on priority or time of day. For example, help me plan my day with these tasks: work on a report, grocery shopping, gym, and a doctor's appointment at 3 p.m. Setting reminders. While ChatGPT doesn't directly set reminders, it can help you organize them. You can ask, "Create a list of reminders for today," and then use another app to set alerts based on the list. Meal planning. ChatGPT can help you decide what to cook based on the ingredients you have at home. Just tell it what you have, and it will suggest recipes. For example, I have chicken, spinach, and pasta. What can I make for dinner? Learning and education. Quick information. Need to know something fast? ChatGPT can provide concise explanations on a wide range of topics. For example, explain photosynthesis in simple terms, or what are the key events of World War II? Language learning. Practice a new language by asking ChatGPT to translate phrases or converse with you in that language. For example, how do I say, "Where is the nearest train station?" in French? Study assistance. Get help with your studies by asking for explanations of complex concepts or summaries of articles. For example, can you summarize the main points of this research article on climate change? Personal finance management. Budget planning. Use ChatGPT to draft a budget by inputting your income and expenses. For example, help me create a monthly budget with an income of $3,000, rent of $1,200, groceries costing $300, and other expenses. Investment guidance. While ChatGPT isn't a financial advisor, it can provide basic information on different types of investments. For example, what are the differences between stocks, bonds, and mutual funds? Expense tracking. Ask ChatGPT to help categorize your expenses. For example, I spent $50 on groceries, $30 on entertainment, and $100 on utilities. Can you summarize my spending? Health and wellness. Exercise routines. ChatGPT can suggest workout plans based on your goals and available equipment. For example, create a 30-minute full-body workout for home with no equipment. Diet suggestions. Get meal ideas tailored to your dietary preferences. For example, I'm on a low-carb diet. Can you suggest a day's worth of meals? Mental health support. While not a replacement for professional help, ChatGPT can offer mindfulness exercises or simple tips to manage stress. For example, I'm feeling anxious. Can you suggest some breathing exercises? Communication and writing. Email drafting. Struggling to write a professional email? ChatGPT can help. For example, draft an email to my boss requesting a meeting to discuss my project progress. Creative writing. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas or even paragraphs for stories, essays, or reports. For example, help me start a short story about a time traveler who lands in ancient Egypt. Social media posts. Need a catchy post for social media? ChatGPT can create one based on your preferences. For example, write a fun Instagram caption for a picture of my cat lounging in the sun. Travel planning. Itinerary creation. Plan your trip with ChatGPT by asking for recommendations on things to do, places to visit, and where to eat. For example, I'm visiting Tokyo for 3 days. Can you suggest an itinerary? Packing lists. Get help with packing by asking ChatGPT to generate a list based on your destination and activities. For example, create a packing list for a week-long beach vacation. Language barriers. Ask ChatGPT to translate common phrases in the local language of your travel destination. For example, how do I ask for directions to the train station in Japanese? Home management. Cleaning schedules. ChatGPT can help create a cleaning schedule that fits your routine. For example, help me set up a weekly cleaning schedule for a 3-bedroom house. DIY projects. Get guidance on simple DIY home projects. For example, what are the steps to build a basic bookshelf? Grocery lists. Ask ChatGPT to create a grocery list based on the meals you plan to cook. For example, I plan to make spaghetti, chicken stir-fry, and a salad this week. What do I need to buy? Entertainment. Movie and TV recommendations. Unsure what to watch? ChatGPT can recommend based on your preferences. For example, I like sci-fi movies with strong female leads. What should I watch? Book suggestions. Get book recommendations tailored to your interests. For example, I enjoy mystery novels. Can you suggest some good ones? Games and activities. ChatGPT can suggest games or activities for you or your family. For example, what are some fun board games for a family of 4? ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can significantly enhance your productivity and simplify everyday tasks. Whether you need help planning your day, managing your finances, or just looking for entertainment suggestions, ChatGPT has got you covered. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber Theo. Check my links below.